everyone, welcome back to TechnonTechTV. In this tutorial, I will introduce you to PLSQL function and also I will show you how to develop a PLSQL function and call it from an anonymous block and select statement. So let's start. PLSQL function is a named block that returns a value. It is also known as a subroutine or a subprogram. So to create a PLSQL function, we have to follow this syntax. And now let's examine the syntax of creating a function in more detail. You specify the function name after the function keyword. So function may have 0 or more than one parameter, and you must specify the data type of each parameter explicitly. Each parameter has one of three modes: in, out and in out. So in parameter is a read only parameter. If the function tries to change the value of the in parameter, the compiler will issue an error message. You can pass a constant, literal, initialize variable or expression to the function as the in parameter. And out parameter is a write only parameter. The out parameters are used to return value back to the calling program. It is initialized to a default value of its type when the function begins, regardless of its original value before being passed to the function. And in-out parameter is read and write parameter. It means the function reads the value from an in-out parameter, change its value and return it back to the calling program. The function must have at least one return statement in the execution section. The return clause in the function header specifies the data type of return value. The block structure of a function is similar to an anonymous block with an additional function header section. Now let's take an example. Now we are going to create a function named parse that parses a string and returns a number if the input string is a number, or null if it cannot be converted to a number. So here iv_number is an in parameter whose data type is varchar2, so that you can pass any string to the parse function. Inside the function, we use the built-in PLSQL function named to_number to convert a string into a number. If any exception occurs, the function returns null in the exception section, otherwise it returns a number. So how to call PLSQL function? The PLSQL function returns a value, so you can use it on the right hand side of an assignment or in a select statement. So let's create an anonymous block to use the parse function. In the declare section, we have declared three numbers x, y and z. In the begin section, we are using parse function. And now let's print a value of x, y and z. Here we can see we got the output and only number 123 and 12.21 is printed, and it is showing null for string. So we can also use parse function in a select statement like this. So here we can see we got output for number but not for string. So in this tutorial, you have learned how to develop a custom PLSQL function and call it in anonymous blocks and in a select statement. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubt, comment us below. And if you found some value in this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. And do share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge, and stay tuned for more videos.